Hi everyone and welcome back to another travel vlog. Today we are going to Amsterdam. We are currently in the airport waiting for the gate to be announced, having a bit of breakfast, and yeah, we're gonna board. Hope the flight's okay. I'm not a good flyer, mainly because I get travel sick, nothing else. And then let's explore, although I haven't prepared anything. I mean, I have somewhere to stay, but I don't know any of the attractions. I haven't marked them on my maps. I don't know how I can get from the airport to the accommodation. Yeah, this is kind of a last minute. I booked it 3-4 days ago and now we're here. So let's go. I have just landed and Christmas is in Amsterdam. I've got my train ticket here and I'm going to city centre, but I just don't know which train it is. So let's go figure it out. Train was a success. Rode one stop for 15 minutes and I am in the centre, I believe. And as you come out the station, this is what you get greeted by. I have made it to my accommodation. I am staying in a hostel again and this is my bunk bed. Also have a little light here. And I'm just charging my phone before I head back out because I need Google Maps to find my way around. There's so much in this area in the city centre, so I'm glad I've stayed here, and this place is really lovely. It's really nice and clean, so far so good. And I've been looking. There are so many food places I want to go to. Waffles, fries, cookies. Oh, there's even a Tony's chocolate factory. So there's going to be a lot of food eating, and I think what we're going to start with is lunch. It's currently 3:30 p.m. and I've not had lunch. Also, this backpack I bought has been amazing. On my Instagram there's a little story of me shopping for it. Oh, for the first time ever, EasyJet actually tested everybody's carry-on bags in their little check-in box, and I was a little bit worried. I saw other people trying to wedge their bags in. This one slotted right in, no problems at all. So love it. And I also stuck my little Welsh sticker on it. And this is my drawer under the bunk bed. I've got to set my code for the drawer, lock all my bits away, and then we can get going. Locked. Did you hear that? That was my head. Oh, I stood up too quick and banged it. Ow. Oh dear. Gotta be more careful. On the hunt for some chips, I've ended up stumbling onto a shopping high street. There's lots down here. There's this really cute sweet shop, lots of tourist shops, some jewellery, Bershka. Yeah, it's a really good mix. I'm gonna have a good time exploring. But I just want to find these fries. Where would they be? Oh, there's even a Primark. Primark is everywhere. I see everybody walking by with the orange cones ready. That is the frying place. Hopefully there's not going to be a massive queue for it if everyone's going there, but they're meant to be super good. Oh, they smell amazing as well. Everyone's walking by and they're wafting. Oh, I'm so hungry. I have got the fries. They are, oh my god, they're so amazing. So this sauce is like a sweet onion curry pickle. Oh, and they're crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. Coming to Amsterdam, it's a must. Beautiful here, and I think it's just that little bit more magical because all the Christmas lights are out everywhere. Okay, I've just seen somewhere, even though I'm in Amsterdam, that says it is the best Korean cuisine, and I recognize the chef on it. So let's go have a look there, see if we can find some food. Oh, I have a full belly now. That food was so good, but it was definitely enough for 2 people. So I'm happy I've got a bit of a walk back to the accommodation now. And I think I'm gonna go back, charge this camera because it's about to die, charge my phone again because that's also about to die, and then we're gonna come back out because actually it's all quite close together, so you can do a lot really quickly, and it's only 6:30 p.m. It is now the next day. That was a rough night's sleep. A lot happened. The girl in the bunk above me dropped her phone down the side of her bunk. She was on top. It went down the side of the wall, past my bed, and then slotted behind. So at 4 a.m, she decided to wake me up to see if I could get her phone for her. Oh my God. And then again at 5. And then she was waiting at 7. It was a lot, oh my goodness. But today we're exploring again. I'm gonna start maybe with a boat ride, I thought. Today seems like quite a nice day. There's a bit of sun around, a little bit chilly, but not too bad. So yeah, we're gonna go see if we can find a boat to go on to. And then after that is the Bodyworks Museum, which I heard about this when I was in school. It's real people that have donated their bodies, but they've like skinned them so you can just see their muscles. Oh, it sounds weird, but it's kind of cool as well. I don't know. So we might go do that, and then a chocolate factory. In my ear. So on the left at 5:02 is the stately house. Let's have a look. Everyone was like, oh, in Paris go on a boat. I never did, but I did it here, and guys, it's totally worth it. It's so beautiful and you see so many parts of the city. I saw a few bits that I want to go hunt down on foot now, and it was really enjoyable. I sat right at the back, which meant I was outside. It was a beautiful day, the sun was coming through, slight breeze, beautiful buildings. I loved it, but now I'm a little peckish, so I might go see if I can find like a waffle or pancake or something a little sweet. Got my coin, now I just got to queue and get my waffle. These are cute. I need to take something home, but I think they're going to be too big. And I always worry about food that they're going to stop me in the airport for having it. Oh, it smells so good in here. Very crispy, it just falls apart. It's so crunchy. It's got like a caramel middle. It's definitely hitting the sweet craving I had. However, it has now started raining outside, and the queue for the chocolate factory is quite long, so we might go to the body museum instead first. So I finished at the Bodyworks and I was surprised how I felt. I thought at find it really intriguing, really fascinating, but it ended up just turning my tummy every time I remembered these were actual people I was looking at. So yeah, I went through it quite quickly in the end. I then queued for about 20 minutes to get into Tony's Chocolate. Turns out there's not really that much in there. There's a lot of like chocolate bars and options that you can go for, but then there's just a giant queue to make your own, so it's not like an experience. You just queue and then buy. But I did get one. I got like a mini half one, and now as you know, I like my design a bit, so I'm going to do some shopping. Literally want to buy everything in this store. Beautiful blue coat to a black coat. I've seen a few hats, bags. Oh my goodness. Everything is just so nice in it. Oh, look at this. Just a really comfy light green jumper. Do you know, I didn't even realise. Climbing ropes. I have finished in the department store, didn't buy anything, I was very well behaved. I did then pop into the Dior shop. I was so tempted by this grey hoodie, and now I'm out in the rain and I'm off to get lunch. It's 3 p.m. and there's a place called Chun which does what looks like the most amazing French toast. So I think I'm like literally 500 yards away, so I'm gonna get there as quick as I can, dry off and eat some good food, and then that will be the end of this vlog. I've kind of combined 2 days into one video for you. I hope you've enjoyed it.